You may have done Super Bloom, but have you seen it in the evening when it's beautifully lit against a colored lighting backdrop? Coming up next.
Hi, this is Ken and welcome to my channel, Ken Travels 360. Today we are back at Tower of London to do the Super Bloom. But you might notice it's actually a little bit dark. It's because I am doing the evening session.
In August, every Thursday to Saturday, Tower of London is doing an evening opening for Super Bloom when you can experience Super Bloom in a different light.
And we'll see how it looks like later. Coming here in the evenings, yeah, there is no sunlight and it's a little bit dark, but it's really quiet, so you almost get the whole place to yourself. And there's quite a bit of atmosphere around, so I think it's worth coming here. And also in August, there are a lot of different new flowers now. These beautiful pink flowers here are called Mexican aster, and this one is the Gloria variety. So these purple flowers are new and they are called Origanum vulgare, wild majorum. Although there is no sunlight now, the flowers still look really beautiful. So these red ferns behind has gone really tall now, and also I don't know whether you can see it, there are lots of sunflowers on this side as well. So I've just been told by the volunteer here that the floodlight should come on around 8:30, so we'll stay on around then to see it.
If you have watched my last two Super Bloom videos, you may remember that it was too hot on both occasions to do the slides. Well, finally, it's my lucky day. The weather is a bit cool, so I can finally try out the slides. After all the excitements of the slides, the time is just a few minutes to 8:30, so the color lighting should be turned on really soon.
So they just turn on the lights and it's looking absolutely magical here now. Look at how beautiful it is under the floodlight. This is definitely a totally different experience. The evening lighting has really transformed how it looks now. It's just so different and the color has made it so spectacular. I appreciate that most of you will probably not just come here for the evening show, so hopefully I'm bringing this to you so you can enjoy it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification bells icon as well. It's looking back to the west side. It's interesting, when I look at the Super Bloom earlier, from above, from the road and around, it looks like most of the flowers have died, and I wonder whether it's still worth coming here. But actually, it's quite pretty still. There's still lots of sunflowers, and there are some new flowers around, and seeing it at night is definitely making it quite a different experience. Here are the sculptures lit. So that's it, another Super Bloom visit done. This one is really special for being in the evening. I really enjoyed the lit environment here.
The other thing is that it has been so quiet this evening that I feel like I just had a private viewing. Thank you for joining us on tonight's Super Bloom visit. I'll see you next time.